Okay, time to activate 75th Infantry. And yeah, the 3rd Armor has a unit all the way up here. So actually, if this unit would have been out of command radius, you wouldn't have counted that to look for mixed formation, but as it is now, 3rd Armor basically has all this area, and of course they're mixed with the 75th Infantry. So not only do they have coordination markers, or at least if we look at the 75th now, not only do they have a coordination marker, they're also mixed at the time of the snafu roll. So they get -1 for the coordination and -1 for being mixed. And we have -1 for the fatigue. So -3 and +1 for optimal distance to the combat train, so -2. But we roll 12, so they get a full activation. I'm just wondering though if they have anything important to do. I mean, as I said before, they have their orders to go to Okier via Dubui, so like that. I guess I could move just here and like cover these roads here, these river crossings, to prevent any funny business from the Germans down here. Or I could try to still block, just stay in place. No, maybe I'll push the headquarters a little bit over there, and I will move some units out of the way here to try to unentangle from the 3rd Armor and cover this area here. Okay, so I'm gonna start by trying to cover these rows here. This unit can go 1, 2, actually half movement points on tracks, which I just realized. So 1, 2, 2. So let's see, 1, 2, and then they're stuck in the zone of control over here. And this guy is doing a pretty good job where he is. Question is what to do with these guys that are kind of stuck over here. I think this guy will have to do a voluntary retreat. That's the only way he's gonna get anywhere. You could do it. There. 1, 2, 3. So he takes a step loss and does a voluntary retreat, which means he's also finished. These guys could try to move. So you could do 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 2, 3. It would cost him a lot more to cross the river. So I'll just go there. I guess I could actually flip this guy. I don't need him to be on the deployed side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because of the stream. 6, 7. And then I could move this guy 1, 2, 3, 4, flip him too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think if I go in there, then it's that's slope, and that's +1. Oh, 7, 8. I could go there. Okay, it's just +1. So these two have moved, and then of course I have these guys up here, which are kind of also should get out of the way. Trying to push them over here. So I'll go. Well, the coordination marker is gone now from the 75th, but they're gonna get it back now when we're sort of moving across their zone. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Why not? And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I want to go there? 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll just follow them. And then move these guys. Move these guys. Everything. I haven't moved these guys yet. I could go up and do. This guy's not finished. He could still assist. I could go up and try to push some of these units out. Although, how much? Or at least I should use some artillery. I didn't place any objective markers. I should have done that earlier. I got a full activation. That's actually good. I'm going to place them both in this zone here. So we have a double objective zone here, which means I could potentially get a +1 on the combat table, which is always nice. And I can do some barrages. So I'll move this guy up here, flip this guy, and move him into here. So at least that will block the Germans for a while. And I'll do two barrages there. So we have, for the 75th Infantry, we have 4. This is 3rd Armor. So it's 4 plus 1, that's 5 artillery points. Plus I have some air, and the Americans can do 2 barrages per hex if they want. So I will just do 2 barrages in here, using this guy as a spotter, which makes him finished. 4 and 4. Let's see now. That's terrain. I think that's. Yeah, that's it. That's enough. It's not a city nor a hard unit, so 2 hits on this guy, which might actually. Still 1 step left. And so that's 3 artillery points. This guy will do barrage into here. 2 barrages. That's 1 hit. Almost. And then we have 2, so that was 2 more. I guess I could do some barrages here as well. So this guy will spot. Actually, they don't need to be adjacent for spotting, but in this terrain, and the line of sight. So yeah, for example here, I guess he could be over here and still see for spotting. So I'm gonna do 1 artillery point from the formation and 1 air point. So I have 4 air points left. So that's 2 barrages into that hex. 2, 3, so no hits. And I think that's it for the barrage that I could do. Okay, and roll for fatigue for the 75th. No fatigue, so I want the second activation. I guess it would be nice to do even more barrages. I didn't move the headquarters, by the way, which I had intended, but no, it's good. We'll see. Oh, they get a second activation on the 6th. Okay, so good luck. They do get the second activation. Okay, so for that, I think what we will do is we'll place the objective. Ah, wait a minute, I couldn't have barraged over here. That's not an objective zone. So this guy could not have barraged here. Okay, whatever. I will put the objective marker here. I will just do some flipping. And this guy, maybe he should I'll continue to walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This guy is now well in command radius. I'll put the HQ over there, which I could according to the orders. I can move this guy up here. This guy. 1, 2, 3. Put another one on this road here. I think this is good. This looks really good. I could put this one actually with the headquarters instead. And this one is now done, so I should move him like that. And then we just do the barrages again. 2 here and 2 here. First. No hits. There. 2 hits. Okay, this guy is gone. Dead. Okay, and that was the end of the 75th Infantry. And now we have a slightly better looking situation for the mixing with the 3rd Armor. Although now, of course, this road is open, which I guess it was before as well. I could maybe have, yeah, I don't know. I could have left that infantry over here, but no, I think it's good. They have that bridge, this crossing covered. I think that's fine. Lots of infantry over here. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that was the 75th Infantry. Let's see if we get, or if the Allies should do yet another one. Oh, they saved it for last. So the last activation will be 2, or the next, I guess. Yeah, so the Germans will now have 1, either Panzerlehr or the 2nd Panzer, and then the Allies will do 2, and then the Germans will do their last one. Okay.